but not because of its magnificence. Dear is the casuarina to my soul. The poet is saying, this casuarina tree is not very dear to her just because of its physical appearance. The tree is very tall, very strong, green with red flowers, magnificent, beautiful, impressive. All these qualities is not the reason she loves this tree very much. The real reason is, beneath it we have played, though years may roll. Under this tree, we, the three children, the poet, her sister, and their brother, these three children had a wonderful time under the tree. They might have played, sang songs, read books, discussed, whatever it was a happy time. Loved with love intense. These lovable memories, they loved one another. It was a lovely time. This particular feeling for sweet companions, loved with love intense. Companions are her siblings. They are not only her sister and brother, they are her friends. Her friends who shared everything. So these sweet people, they loved one another. For your sakes shall the tree be ever dear. Because of you, because of your companionship, because you were there, because of that only, this tree is close to my heart. I love this tree very much. Blent with your images, it shall arise in memory. So this particular tree is mixed with the images of her siblings. It's not just the tree she sees. When she looks at the tree, or when she remembers the tree, along with it, it is a flashback. The pictures of a sister and brother sitting together, their happy times, all together come to her mind. Till the hot tears blind mine eyes. She thinks of all those happy days and she does not have them together now. So her tears starts to roll down her eyes and it blinds her view. She can't see. Her eyes are filled with tears. She is crying now because of those people she has lost. What is that dirge like murmur that I hear? Like the sea breaking on a shingle beach. Now she's asking a question. It might be that she is standing alone on a beach and she is asking, what is the sound? Dirge means it is a lament, a cry for the dead, a song sung for the dead. What is it I hear? It's just like a crying song, a song of pain. This song, it is when she hears the shingle beach. Shingle beach, I've already sent you a video. It is actually when you have friends with you, when you go for the beach, it's a very happy time. The waves rushing to you, the sound of the sea, everything is so beautiful. But here, this poet is alone. She thinks of a lost brother and sister, and that alone gives her a sound which is just the opposite. It's just like crying. It's weeping. The sound of the beach, the sound of the waves touching the pebbles. Shingle means small stones. It comes and touches and makes a sound. It is just like someone crying. It is the tree's lament, an eerie speech. She says, it must be the tree itself crying. It's not only the poet missing her friends, her sister and brother, the tree also is missing them. So that's why it is also crying. Lament is cry of pain. It's also crying. It's just very frightening. Standing alone and listening to that and that thought. She is very sad, in a gloomy mood. And so it is just like the tree itself is crying, that aptly to the unknown land may reach. She is far away. It might be she is in France or Italy in a beach. Even though there is a very long distance, she could still hear the tree's sound. This sound where she hears the Beach sound is actually, to her, feels like the casuarina tree is crying for the lost people.